Good morning.
आम्ही बोलतो आता मी चांगला स्टँड
So we're off to breakfast Saturday brunch to a very nearby favorite place. Let's go try that. So they serve all day breakfast and we'll see how the breakfast is. Right now in Kamanal area. Waiting in the signal. Pallavi is back here. So we'll go and check out this place called Coney's Steakhouse. I saw the review, it's really good, so thought we'll check it out. Today Saturday morning, so see you guys there. So this is the simple looking ambience they have. It's a normal fine dine restaurant and they normally serve continental food, steaks, burgers, etc. So this is basically their menu. It is an extensive menu for sure. They have different kinds of wine and sangrias. Even they have happy hours on the weekdays. I can see there is a mocktails, cocktails, and starters. So in the main course also they have different kinds of pastas and then burgers, steaks. So overall we can order any kind of continental food here, and they serve alcohol too. So definitely you can come for dinner with your loved one and enjoy the meal here. And they have very nice selection of seafood and even pizzas, so everything is available here. Let's see what all things we order, but probably today we have just come for breakfast, so we'll have some good breakfast from here. So this is the all day king's breakfast, which is served with butter toast and omelets, scrambled egg with salamis and sausages with bacons. So this egg part you can order unlimited, and it comes with fruit juice and a coffee. So let's go and try the food out. Here Pallavi is trying the food. I guess she's liking it, and we'll ask her how the food experience is. So let's go and wait. How is it, Pallavi? Good? Like it? Tasty? So the jumbo double decker burger has arrived. As you can see, the size is massive. So this is my feast, and this is the burger size. So you can imagine how big is this. So there are 3 layers. You can see the cheese inside, cheese and the patty and the bacon. And there is one more layer down. So yeah, this is how it is. So let's go and try the burger out. The size of the burger is really huge. So we will try the burger now. This is double decker, so there are 2 layers, and so I'll make it half and eat because it's not possible to eat it at same bite. It is really tasty, I feel. So I love the flavor. It has pork, sausages and chicken patty both in it, and a lot of cheese inside. So it's really yummy, and I'm sure you're not gonna able to eat the whole thing. I'll try my best to finish as much as possible, and I really love the burger. So you should try this double decker burger, which is really juicy and soft and really nice. The bun especially, I love it because the bun is really very soft. So this was our cheese omelette, and you can actually see the cheese coming out, and it is really cheesy. Only issue was the flavor was not much, and it's a very plain cheese omelette which has a lot of cheese in it. There are no much masalas. It's a very simple thing, which Pallavi did not like much, but I liked it because the flavors of the cheese was really evitable. Rest of the things, the food really it was good. They served some coffee to us. It was filter coffee, so it was good. coffee time. Who is there? Very good coffee. Homemade morning. So, this is simple looking restaurant. So we are done with got our parcel also, as I couldn't finish. So we'll be moving towards home. The bill was 919, and this is outside Poni's, as you can see. So the food was good, but there were some issues with the flavorings, I feel. Few things were a little bland, which we didn't like. The rest of the food is good. The quantity is also fine. But otherwise, I think it's a regular place. You can just come and have a look and try your breakfast or dinner or other options. So if you guys like the vlog, you can definitely visit this place in Kavannahalli. It's a nice small restaurant which serves good continental food. So I hope you guys will like the video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Wandering Doctor. Thank you.